All right. Here we go. So basically, today I'm going to show you how to add um, elements to your end screen. Your end screen in your YouTube video is, you guessed it, a screen within a screen, such as a little box, right, or a circular box that shows your YouTube channel, in which the user, right, the end user, can click on to go to another video. Okay, so it's at the end of your video. It's a little box, and I'm sure you've seen it in other YouTube videos. At towards the end of the video, something pops up, says "Go here, go there" from our other videos, and then you see them pointing left and right, and that's how they do it. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, here we go. First things first. Navigate to your channel content page, right? So if you're in your YouTube channel, okay, you could do it the long way by clicking on here and then going back to the left and then clicking on content. Or you could do the fast way by already having it bookmarked and going right to it. Okay, that's what you want to do. Channel content. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to pick the video in which you want to add the end screen to. So let's just say I wanted to add an end screen to this video right here, Google Slides update. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over it. I'm going to click the pen or the pencil. Okay, and then on the right hand side, I'm going to scroll down and then I'm going to hit end screen right here. Okay, once I hit end screen, I have a couple different options. All right, I can have the end screen look like this. I'm going to import a video from latest video. I could have it look like this template where I have one video, one subscribe button. I could do it this way, one playlist and one subscribe. I could have two videos. I could have down here one video, one playlist, one video, one playlist, and a subscribe. Doesn't matter. You pick however you want to have it done, okay? I'm just going to do one video, one subscribe. Okay. Once you pick the format in which that you would like the end screen to show, you're going to click on it. Okay. Notice right here you have the box, and you can move it still, no problem. And you can move this, right, however you want. Doesn't matter. Okay. The basic thing is this: you're going to, okay, click on the little box which has the video, and you have a couple different choices. You could either do a end screen box that has the most recent upload, right, from your YouTube channel. You could pick the best video for your viewer, meaning it goes off of an algorithm and it picks the best one based on what they looked up. Or you could choose a specific video. Okay, let's just do a choose a specific video. I'm just gonna pick, I don't know, this one right here because it has to relate to Google Slides. Okay, so I'm gonna double click on it and notice now that is right there, and I can make it a little bigger, I can make it smaller, right? Not too much more, but I can put it up here and I put it up there, it doesn't matter, okay? So now here's the thing. You could further customize it by, okay, clicking on it and deciding when you want it to start showing. You could have it start showing, usually the default is like 20 seconds, okay? You could change that. Let's change it to like 20, 10 seconds, right? Bam. Right? Notice how down here it shows right there now. If I click on the subscribe, okay, right here, I could do it again. I could change the time. I could also change the time down here by just manually going like that, okay? All right, so now they both start at 1 minute 20 seconds. My video is 1 minute and 31 seconds long, okay? When I'm done with all of that, okay, what I'm going to do now is hit save. Once I hit save, I'm going to show you what it looks like on the actual video. So it's at 1 minute and 20 seconds. So let's navigate to 1 minute and 20 seconds. Let's start right here. 1 minute 19 seconds, and then press play. And there it is right there. Notice, right? Right here and right here are two things that you just added via your home screen. I mean, your end screen, I'm sorry, right? And then if they click on that, it takes them to a different video, okay? And that's how you get people to see more and more of your videos. But remember, it all starts, okay? It all starts on your channel content page. Click the pencil, bottom right, end screen, right? And then you choose what you would like to have, right? And that's pretty much it for end screens. Any questions? Contact me or Melissa. I mean, or Melanie.